This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a concept paper in EApp. Let's dive right into the core elements. A concept paper serves as a preliminary document, offering a concise overview of your proposed project. It's crucial for gaining initial interest and feedback before you invest significant time into a full proposal. Think of it as a persuasive summary, designed to capture attention and convey the essence of your idea effectively. We'll cover the key sections you need to include. Now, let's break down the core sections of a strong concept paper. You'll want to begin with a clear introduction that sets the stage and provides essential background information, highlighting the problem your project addresses. Following this, articulate your specific objectives and the tangible outcomes you anticipate achieving. Then, outline your proposed methodology, explaining how you plan to execute the project. Finally, include a concise timeline and a high-level budget summary to give stakeholders a complete picture. Crafting effective content is paramount for a successful concept paper. Your language should be clear and direct, avoiding jargon where possible, to ensure your message resonates with a broad audience. Emphasize the significance of your project and its potential positive impact, making a strong case for why it matters. Support your claims with relevant evidence or data, even if it's preliminary. Remember to maintain a logical flow, guiding the reader smoothly from one section to the next for maximum clarity. Before finalizing your concept paper, a thorough review and refinement process is essential. Carefully check for clarity, conciseness, and any grammatical errors or typos. Confirm that all required sections are present and that each point is articulated effectively and persuasively. It's highly beneficial to seek feedback from peers or mentors. Fresh eyes can spot areas for improvement. Finally, always ensure your concept paper strictly adheres to any specific guidelines or requirements provided by the recipient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.